Welcome to Music Marketing ABC, a comprehensive course on how independent musicians can grow their brand and reach their target audience. This course covers the three essential components of music marketing: audience, branding, and content. Knowing and understanding one's audience is critical for the success of any musician. Developing a strong brand and utilizing social media and other platforms to create content is essential for independent musicians to reach their target audience. In this course, we will discuss how to create an effective music marketing strategy and reach the right people. A. Audience. Knowing and understanding one's audience is critical for the success of any musician. Understanding the audience's preferences, expectations, and tastes allows the musician to craft their performance accordingly and ensure their performance resonates with the people in attendance. Knowing the audience also helps the musician to market their brand or promote their music, allowing them to reach both current and potential fans.
Let's go over 5 options that should help you understand who your audience is, how to engage them, and what their expectations are. Tracking the demographics. Utilizing online surveys. Checking similar artists' audience. Leveraging your community. Collaboration with influencers. 1. Track the demographics of your audience. Get analytics from your streaming and social media platforms to get insights into the age, gender, and location of your listeners. There are also resources like Statista that have charts describing musical tastes by geographic location around the globe, favorite music genres by age groups, etc. That's where you can find out insights like 20 to 34 years old people listen to more hip-hop than rock music, but age groups younger than 20 and over 35 are more of a rock audience. India has a huge population of country listeners, while the US music fans are not as much into hip-hop as South Africa or Mexico. If you already have a fan base, create online questionnaires to ask your fans about their interests, music preferences, and more. Such a questionnaire may include the following questions. What is your age? What genres of music do you usually listen to? What are some of your favorite musical artists? What do you enjoy most about listening to music? Do you have a preferred streaming platform? Where do you typically learn about new music? If you are focusing on Web3, make sure to also ask the fans which blockchain and cryptocurrency they prefer to deal with, and which music NFT platforms they use to stream or buy their music from. Such a survey is super easy to build with Google Surveys, but we've also seen some really cool ones created with Typeform.com. Make sure to check it out as it will certainly help impressing your fans with how pleasant it is to fill them out. 3. Check other similar artists' audience. If you don't have a fan base yet, check the artists you'd put your music in a playlist with, and analyze their followers on Audius, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, or Reddit. 4. Leverage your community. Use tools like forums and social media to actively engage with and gauge the interest of your followers. This will help you understand what songs or materials you post interest your fans the most, but maybe even more importantly, what not to post or publish to free up some time and energy. You may ask how this is done, and here's a few quick ideas. 1. Analyze your follower count and your popular posts. 2. Use reactions and comments. Look at the comments and reactions you're getting, as well as the topics that users engage with and respond to. 3. Analyze your shares, retweets, and playlist placements. Monitor the shares and retweets of your content. 4. Utilize polls and questions. Use polls, giveaways, and quiz questions to better understand what topics your followers respond to and what interests them. 5. Create a newsletter or newsletter signups. Use newsletter signups or email campaigns to gather data on what topics your audience would like to see more of. For this one you may need a website, but we can talk about it in another course. There are also free subscription systems though, you may use one of them. 6. Monitor hashtags and trends. Monitor conversations around your content, industry, or related topics to get a sense of what your followers are interested in. 5. Collaborate with influencers. Now, this one is going to sound easier than it actually is, but good news is that it may only be uncomfortable at first. You need to reach out to influencers in your industry and collaborate on projects to increase your reach and understanding of who your audience is. To make it a little easier, we jotted a few steps that you can follow when approaching influencers. 1. Identify a mutual interest. Establish a relationship with an influencer by engaging with their content and identifying any shared interests or common ground. 2. Reach out. Once you've identified the right influencer, contact them via their preferred mode of communication, as well as through their social media channels. 3. Discuss collaboration. Outline what you'd like to achieve with the collaboration. Be clear and honest about expectations and the deliverables you'd like to receive from the influencer. 4. Agree on the terms. Agree on the compensation, timeframe, and other details before beginning the collaboration. 5. Execute. After all the details have been sorted out, go ahead and execute the collaboration with the influencer. Make sure to monitor and track the results of the collaboration and adjust accordingly.
Understanding the audience is essential for making effective decisions regarding song choice, length of performance, and arrangements of songs. Knowing the audience also helps the musician create excitement and anticipation by providing the right music at the right time.